Mastering ISF for Construction Equipment, a step-by-step guide. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on completing ISF documentation for construction equipment. If you are involved in the construction industry and handle international trade, understanding the importer security filing, ISF, process is crucial. By following this comprehensive guide, you will be well equipped to navigate the complexities of ISF for construction equipment. So let's get started. Understanding ISF for construction equipment. ISF, also known as 10+2 filing, is a mandatory requirement imposed by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) for importers. It aims to enhance security by collecting and analyzing data about shipments entering the country. For construction equipment, ISF documentation ensures compliance with CBP regulations, streamlines the customs clearance process, and allows for smoother transportation of goods. Step 1. Gather necessary information. To begin the process, you need to collect essential information about your construction equipment shipment. This includes details such as the manufacturer name, equipment model number, country of origin, and manufacturer's location. Ensure that you have these details readily available to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Complete the ISF form. The next step involves completing the ISF form accurately. This form requires you to provide information about the importer, consignee, equipment details, and more. It is essential to fill out all the required fields correctly to avoid any delays or penalties at the customs clearance stage. Step 3. Assign a customs broker. Working with a licensed customs broker familiar with construction equipment imports is highly recommended. A customs broker will assist you in ensuring that all the necessary documentation is in order, helping you navigate the complicated customs processes effectively. They will submit the completed ISF form on your behalf and handle any customs-related queries or issues. Step 4. File the ISF timely. Timeliness is of utmost importance when it comes to ISF filing. The ISF must be filed at least 24 hours before the vessel's departure from the port of origin. Failure to meet this requirement may lead to penalties, shipment holds, or even cargo rejection. It is crucial to work closely with your customs broker to stay on top of the filing deadlines. Step 5. Keep track of ISF status. Once the ISF is filed, it is vital to keep track of its status. You can do this by regularly communicating with your customs broker or freight forwarder. They will provide updates on the progress of your ISF, ensuring that you are aware of any issues or additional information required by the customs authorities. Along with the ISF form, certain supporting documents are essential for the smooth clearance of your construction equipment. These documents may include the commercial invoice, bill of lading, packing list, and any additional certifications or permits required for construction equipment imports. Make sure you have these documents readily available for submission to the customs authorities. The importance of customs bond. To fulfill the legal requirements of importing construction equipment, obtaining a customs bond is crucial. A customs bond provides assurance to the CBP that any potential duties, taxes, or penalties can be paid if required. It acts as a financial guarantee and ensures compliance with customs regulations. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the step-by-step guide on completing ISF documentation for construction equipment. By following these essential steps, you can navigate the challenging process of ISF with ease. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check out our upcoming videos for more informative content.